Well, this area here, this place we bought here a while back, it had all the junk and everything, the old ramshackled house. This area right here, as you can see, is fairly barren. We planted some grass on there before, and it didn't really take hold. I'm sure there wasn't any good dirt there, and probably had some fertilizer. But anyway, I'm going to try to, I'll show you this little gizmo I got some time back and put it on my tractor here. We'll look at it in just a minute. Okay, this little disc I think came off of one of them walk behind little crackers, kind of like a David Bradley or whatever. It's got this tongue that kind of runs back in here, so I have this chain on here. I don't know if it's going to be tight enough or not, but I'm going to attempt to lower this down and push this across that area over there and see if we can kind of tear that up for some grass seed. So, well, when I get mine out here, we'll look at it a little bit more. Got my rig a little bit tighter. I'm going to see if it was any better than I wrapped it. with you going backward on it, pulling the disc backward, but the thing is, it won't stay on there. Very good with this rigging I got. If I'm gonna use it very much, I got a better idea on how to hold that disc on there. It'd be better to put it behind the tractor, but it's not quite wide enough. It don't make much difference. All I'm trying to do is scratch this dirt up enough where we get some grass to stay put on there. You know, the washes off so bad. I'm gonna try putting some some bricks or something, kind of dam up a few of those spots where it washes so bad until we get some grass going on there. Because I mean, it looks pretty good otherwise, but just that there is not nothing to brag over, for sure. But, well, we'll get back on this thing a little bit farther. I think we've not got it all played out here.